Season is about to end and we want to get to 200k subscribers. Bafethu siyanicela, please subscribe. We are left with only 1 month. Can we do it? I believe we can. Welcome to my fans to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, TS Galaxy 3. I'm joined by Uroy.
It's Tibo.
Unjani baba?
Kola unjani?
Yaphila.
Hayi siyaphila man. Stibo. Mina ngine message.
For?
Angathi ukuthi ngakhona yena kufika ku Gate Mackenzie. Yes message.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ukuthi Gate Mackenzie.
Yeah.
Sicela ukuthi wenza into le right.
Yeah.
Kule space lesifole abantu abasele.
Yeah.
Ama fans wethu sifuna kwabona le.
Thank you baba.
Amen. Sacela Gate Mackenzie on Friday was a belief. Fat dimense suntu. Yeah, ekumuto African sprat.
Sekazokuzwa manje.
Yeah. Sacela Gate Mackenzie. And i-message lengifuna ukuyiphasa futhi ku Hugo Bros.
Yes baba.
Angimazi ukuthi ukhuluma iphi language.
Yeah.
But Hugo, sicela ukuthi uselect ngeperformance yama player, hayi nge-favoritism.
Yeah.
Because of kungimanje kunama player enza good.
Yeah.
Ku Richards Bay.
Yeah.
Kunomfana bathi uzikhali.
Yes.
Akabizwe.
Yes.
And then umfundo Vilakazi.
Yeah.
Ku Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Akabizwe.
Yes.
And then ulo goalkeeper we Chiefs.
Yes.
Akahambi.
Yes.
Because asanayo goalkeeper number 1.
Va.
If ever ufair.
Yeah.
Uzamo yokuza uRowan Williams.
Yeah.
Akasekho my brother.
Yeah, I feel.
Angeke uyi goalkeeper number 1. Ihlazo into sibona la.
Yeah.
Let's hope ukuthi amazwe amanye awabhekanga le game.
Yeah.
The previous game nale. Ukuthi goalkeeper number 1 yethu he consider 7 goals in 2 games. And then expect ukuthi lo muntu uyovimba ku Mexico. No.
Yeah.
No. And I message ku Helman Mkhelele. Helman Mkhelele. Asazi ukuthi why ulapho because of I was assisting alutho thina la. Hugo Bros wenza ngendlela afuna ngayo. Ukhona wena we assistant coach. Asazi ukuthi inkinga yakho yini. Yeah. Then Stibo iPirate iphethe cup na. Amen. Icup le.
Yeah.
Saturday ngizobe ngile.
Yeah, Marine. Yeah.
Ngoyihanda over officially.
Yeah.
Abangabonga iChiefs, ababonge thina.
Yeah.
Umsebenzi siwenzile namhlanje.
Va.
So if bangafuna ukubonga thina angazi.
Yeah.
Because icup thina sihanda over kubo. Yes.
Yes baba.
And why senza logo?
Yeah.
Le game yanamhlanje.
Sure baba.
It was all about revenge.
For?
Remember ukuthi uBernard Parker uluze icareer yakhe la.
Yeah.
Moses Mapida.
Yeah.
La sorry ku eMbombela Stadium via Sundowns. Ashaya uzungu. Wahlala esibhedlela. Namhlanje yabuya iSundowns.
Yes.
Ibuya uBernard Parker so ucoach.
Yeah.
Uyisobani ucoach yibo.
Yes.
And then namhlanje bekuyi game yamagqulu.
Yeah.
Net abakayifundanga bona basitshela ukuthi walk off.
Yeah.
Unfortunately umudawu benginaye ngathi.
Yeah.
Ngimtshelile ngathi unless sijike khoneni my bros khuluma into enye because la ngeke uphume la wathi bona yi walk off.
Yeah.
So le game le kahle kahle Stibo besingenzeli besingenzeli iPirates besingenzeli iChiefs besenzela thina because manje besifrustrate iSundowns iSundowns yak final manje bayazi ukuthi bayiluzile icup bofuna kuwina iStar ukuwina kwabo iStar kwenza ukuthi manje iSouth Africa ibe na 3 ema team ku CAF iChiefs ifuna iphusheke iye ku CAF and then especially seChiefs kuvuleka space iTS Galaxy as a runner up ku Nedbank iyangena so uyabona ukuthi bekuprovoke ngamabomu iPirates ngamabomu ukuthi izo supporta thina ukuthi sikhona ukuprovoke iSundowns not knowing ukuthi basiza thina bona nabo bazibhekelele bona uyabona so Stibo ngiyabonga
siyabonga baba. Thank you Roy.